Lwenj apiny gidore ten kaunti ma Kisii kind gavana ma Kisii Simba Arati kod seneta ma kaunti no Richard Onyonka ma wacho ni gavana Arati tiyo manach gi apisi kao kedo ne kod jotije e kaunti no. Romo mar jotelo mane otimi mane isume paro mane obagi mosocho jotelo ma Kisii kotelnegi gi jaod bura makono Anthony Kibagendi kod jaod bura ma Kitutu North Jafeth Nyakundi osingo ng'anyo kendo balo gavana no ponono ni odhi mbele riembo jotij masani dhi mbele e kaunti no. Korka kore gavana Arati osingo dhi mbele gi mano ma wacho ni yore mitiyogo gi jo siasa tiyo marach gi omenda mar kaunti no kosingo dhi mbele gi dino rode mag kwe kaunti no.
We will support you, Mr. Governor. If you do an excellent job, we will guide you, we will advise you. But if you don't listen to us, we will walk away and we'll start planning how we are going to remove you from power, whether you say you have money or you have no money.
Tulimpa kura zaidi ya 71,000, lakini sasa anachukulia na madharau. Watoto wetu wako county, he has demoted them. Anawavuta kazi. He is parading them. Anawadharau.
Ukitaka kujua how to manage people at that level, saa ingine nyenyekea hata wewe. Hata ile wakati alianza hii vita, tulinyamaza. Tulisema, these are genuine reforms, let's allow him to do his job. Lakini yeye akaanza kuvictimize watu.
For the politician, please give me room to work for the people. I cannot engage in the business of you waging war in your clans. I'm not targeting any clan. But if you are a ghost worker, you are coming from Bogetutu, I'll deal with you family, even if you have a godfather. You must work. This county, it has 6 clans. It has 9 constituencies. Every constituency must benefit from the county government of Kisii.